Hey guys, what's up?
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex.
And I'm Jack.
Today, we're gonna show you guys how we meal prep and how we make our smoothies. We're on our way to Whole Foods right now to get all of the ingredients. We're excited to show you guys. Let's get started. We're at Whole Foods.
Are they? Oh, they're only $2 each.
Strawberries for the smoothie. By the way, I got new Crocs. Yes. We're home now.
Just got back from Whole Foods.
When we're out, I had to get my Starbucks, so we got our refreshers, not coffee because it is afternoon already. He was mentioning that these are very...
I feel like they put dyes in this or something. It's too pink.
We're home. Did you miss us? Have you been enjoying your tree? As y'all remember, we got him a cat tree, referring to the last video. Alrighty guys, we're here. We got back from Whole Foods. We got a few things. We got some strawberries. We went ahead and grabbed protein powder that...
It has a bunch of stuff. It has broccoli, spinach, peas, chia seeds, hemp seeds, beets, carrots, sweet potatoes, acai, bananas, and a bunch of other stuff.
Acai.
No sugar, plant-based, gluten-free. We are going to make a strawberry, banana, blueberry protein smoothie.
It's like a green powder. I know it kind of defeats the purpose, but adding a little bit of sugar just to sweeten it. So now we're gonna blend. Voila. Delicious.
Taste.
I can definitely taste that powder.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, that comes through. But yeah, there you have it. All of these things you can find at Whole Foods. Yeah, this is our smoothie recipe. Feel free, take it as you'd like.
It's great because he has a giant spoon.
What? Really nice.
Alright guys, so we're starting our meal prep. We're gonna make rice with, grilled chicken and veggies, lots of seasoning.
We started meal prepping recently because we realized how convenient it is.
Makes things a lot easier. First, I'm gonna start rinsing the rice to get all the starch off, which by the way, if you're cooking rice, do this because the rice is gonna be sticky if you don't. Alright, 2 cups of rice. So right now I'm just... Notice how white the water is becoming? I'm gonna do this until the water is somewhat clear. It depends on what your taste is, you know. Some people like to rinse it until there's absolutely no starch left, which I don't wanna do that because I don't have time for that, but I'm just gonna rinse it 2 or 3 times. And start cutting the chicken.
All right guys, so while he's cutting up the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the rice. So while the rice is boiling, I'm going to start on the vegetables. When we were at Whole Foods, we grabbed some broccoli and carrots, which we'll go ahead and cut up and boil them. We also got organic sweet corn.
Don't talk about my cutting technique. I know I'm not the best, because I know people are gonna be like, "Oh, you're doing it wrong. This is the right way." I don't have a sharp knife, so.
So we got the rice here. Cool, so we got the chicken and I'm going to season it very well. I love seasoning food. Literally my favorite part of cooking is seasoning. We're gonna be using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, mango habanero rub, and parsley flakes. It's very tasty. Here you got it, nice and seasoned. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and stir it. Va a quedar pero delicioso. Tenemos que darle sabor a la comida.
I'm gonna start with adding the vegetables. Then the rice. All the juices.
So we're gonna now we're putting chicken. So now he is mixing. It looks so delicious, doesn't it? Like, smells delicious. After this, we usually put it in Tupperware and then we store it for the week. And there you have it. It's a great way to save money and eat healthy.
Definitely start meal prepping, but don't film yourself do it because it's harder.
I'm not gonna lie, this was kind of a challenge, but we did it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss another one of our videos.
Yes.
Try incorporating this into your routine and see how it does, because it helps us out a lot. So
Yes. Well, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.